Stop scrolling. This story can change how you see money forever. A boy lived in a small city. No laptop, no office, no connections, no rich family. But he had one thing, a phone and a decision. Every night, after everyone slept, he learned one skill from YouTube. Simple content writing. No courses, no mentors. First month, zero income. Second month, one client, $20. People laughed. Is this even real work? Why are you wasting time? But he didn't quit because $20 proves one thing. Money can come from the internet. 6 months later, the same phone paid his rent. No boss, no permission. You don't start motivated. You start committed. If you have a phone, you have a chance.